Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to update the processors of Windows 11. So I will tell you the best and simple steps to update your processors of Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to search bar and type device manager. Search for device manager, open device manager and maximize this window. In the left side you can see all the listed drivers. So you have to move to processors. Okay, here it is. Double click on it and you can see the all the listed drivers list. So you have to go to first one and right click on it and move to update driver option. Click on update driver. Now you can see the two options here. So you have to click on the first one, and in my case I've already updated driver. You can search in your PC or laptop whether you got update or not. So after checking this up, close this window. I will show the another step. Go to search bar and search for settings. Open settings, and in the left side you can see all the listed settings. So you have to go to last one, Windows Update, and click for check for updates. So it will take 20 to 30 seconds. So it will check up whether you got a processors drivers update or not. Till then you can like my video, subscribe my channel. I keep bringing the best tutorials on Windows 11 which will help you for working smoothly and efficiently on Windows 11, and it will tell you all the listed drivers, so whether you got update or not. So sit back and just wait. Okay, now you can see my processor drivers are up to date. You can check in your PC whether you got update or not, and let me know in the comment section if this video helped you out. So guys, this was a video on how to update processors drivers for Windows 11. So thanks for watching and take care guys.